Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Bootstrap 4 alerts and let's see how it works and let's get started. Before getting into the topic, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so that you will get the latest updates about my channel. So before getting into the implementation part, we just need to understand what or where will be these alerts used in case of applications. So simple thing to understand is that this can be understood from the names itself that this is an alert. So consider example of a user applying for a, or simply we can say a user logging in for, in a website. So if a user logs in successfully, we will give a successful alert message, and that is one example. And at the same time, if the user fails to log in with the correct credentials, then a danger or alert with red color or something like that will be produced by the website or web page. So in these cases, this alert classes of the Bootstrap will be used in particular web pages. So this is the basic idea about the Bootstrap alerts. So let's get into the implementation part. So the basic thing we need to know is that this is a block available in the Bootstrap using a class. Just need to use a alert class and just provide the role equal to alert. It means that we are using now the alert class, and Bootstrap built-in classes knows that this page is using the alert class, and we are going to produce an alert in this web page. And in this alert, the features of this alert class is that we can add any tags inside this alert class. Any tags means any HTML tags like para, a p tag, h tag means h1 to h, any tag, a list, anything can be added. So for the time being, I am adding the paragraph and just writing um, welcome to my channel, um, null sub zero. So let's see what will be the output, and I'm sure it will not be anything because we can see here just a symbol welcome to my channel sub zero. And I want to explain you one thing, that if we provide this class alert and just role alert, it will not be understandable by any user when a user visits the web page, when if we are giving this alert. So in that case we will use a color system or color pattern available for the Bootstrap. The color codes means I am explaining about this primary, secondary, info, warning, etc. That's what I am talking about. So let's give the color as alert primary and save it. Then we will see what will be the change. See, this portion has been changed for the alert only, or we can see that the alert system has been used, as well as the alert color has been changed to the primary color, which is blue. And similarly we can use any color that are available in Bootstrap, and now I am using success. And if I saved it and change, we can see the color has been changed to green, the success. As I told earlier, this type of alerts with the green color can be used when a user logged in and the login is successful. We can give this kind of alert with the particular message in that scenario. I have given the message as welcome to my channel sub zero, and we can change it according to our application. So also I can use the danger class for the alert. Then you can see that the color has been changed to red. It means that these kind of alerts or alerts with this color can be used only when the user consider the example I have told earlier about the login page, and the user when failed to log in with the current credentials, then these kind of alerts can be produced. And one more I will show you for the sake of understanding. Now I am using alert warning. In that case we can see the warning color for that alert has been came into play. So this is how the basic alert system in Bootstrap works, and the basic idea is to alert the user for a particular action that the user has made in that web page. And this is the use of alert in the Bootstrap. So this is a main feature for the alert. And another thing that alert describes is that we are showing the alert to the user, whereas if the alert has shown and if the user needs to dismiss that alert or delete, or the user don't want to show that alert after what he or she have seen, in that case we can also able to dismiss that particular alert using the particular classes available in the Bootstrap. So I will show you how that case works. So before that I will also show you, I have told you that there are multiple tags like paragraph, heading, strong. We can use any kind of tags in this alert. So I will show you one example. I am using a heading for the moment, and I am uh, welcome users. I am giving this heading. In that case also we can use, sorry, not div, I will use this class and provide this uh, bootstrap class for the alert heading. Since it is a heading, or since we are using a heading tag, we will provide this class inside the h1 tag, so that the bootstrap will understand that we are using the heading inside the alert, and that alert class, when we use, the alert will be provided as a case of heading or provided as a heading. In that case we will use these things. See what will be the output. See, the alert has been little more bigger since it is a h1 tag. It is the biggest heading that are available in HTML, and also it has been changed to a heading tag. So for the time being I am removing this paragraph, and I will show you another thing. Let's provide a paragraph tag and just write hi all, hi all, and just giving a please, and I am including an anchor tag, please click me. I am giving a please click me, and just if you like it, I am also including these contents. And I want to explain about this anchor tag inside the alert. I am giving this click me as a anchor content inside this paragraph, so I can also add a class for the alert in this alert class itself. I will show you how it works. Alert class, and also I will give as alert link. In case of links, I will provide alert link class, whereas in case of alert headings, I will use this alert heading. So this is how this it will works in case of anchor, heading, paragraphs and all. I will show you what will be the output. See, if I try to click this, it will be working. You can see itself right now. It is working. So this is how the anchor tab or anchor tag in HTML, including this alert bootstrap alert class, works. Or we can simply say these kind of tags can be included in the bootstrap very easily using this alert itself. So these are the basic features regarding the alert classes in the Bootstrap. So one more major feature I have already discussed you to use that the dismissing the alert. So let's get into the dismissal part. So for that case, what we need to provide is, first we need to give the cross button so that the user will understand that this alert or this particular alert can be removed by the user. So first thing we need to give the that particular button inside that alert. So what we need to do is just create a button, let the button type be button itself, and what we need to do is just uh, give that it be span, let be spanning around that alert itself. So I am just giving a span tag. Inside the span I am giving area hidden, so that it will be understand that that button or a cross button will be shown in that alert itself. And for that that cross button working, we need to give this and times. So what will be the output if I just run this? We will check it. See, the button has been come into play. So in order to make a beautiful button, I will just provide a class equal to close, not here in the button. I will provide a class equal to close. So now we can see what will be the output. See, the button has been a little bit more beautiful. So the position of this button is not right now, so I will change the position into top of the alert. Since the button is an inline tab, we can change into any position. So now I am changing this button into the top position of the alert. Yeah, I have changed here. Let's save it and see what will be the change. Yes, the button has been changed to top. So this is little bit more beautiful to see or decorative to watch it. So next thing is to remove this alert, right? The major purpose or basic purpose of including this cross button is to remove this alert if the user has seen it. So now we can click it. Is there any change? No. So what we need to do is there's a class available for this purpose. So what we need to do is just use the alert dismissible class. Alert dismissible, this is the class used for dismissing an alert. So if we use this, we can see what will be the change. Is there any change? Yes, this button has been changed to dismissible button, so that we can click this. So on clicking this, is there any change? No. It means that the button has been changed to a dismissible button, but still now there is no change. We cannot dismiss this alert on clicking this button. So for that, we also need to include one thing inside this button. Sorry, inside this alert, that is to data dismiss alert. So in that case, we need to include data dismiss alert. It means this is a JavaScript library provided by the Bootstrap, and that scripts are being provided here, and this can be directly copied into our IDE from the Bootstrap documentation itself, and it is available in the Bootstrap official website. So if that Bootstrap JavaScript libraries are available, then we can use this attribute data dismiss equal to alert, and if we use it, then if we try to click this button, uh, close button, it should be removed. See, this is how the alert dismissal of alert works. Once I try to refresh and try to remove this, we can see that this, when we moving the mouse to this point, it is showing that we can remove it, and that is how we do on the earlier case by using this alert dismissible class, as well as we are using a class close. It means that we can use, or we can make this button clickable so that it can be dismissed. So in order to dismiss this old alert, we will use this data dismiss alert. So this is a basic idea, or a basic idea about how to dismiss a particular alert when the alert has been shown to the user. So in this case, in this video we have discussed about how to provide an alert, as well as how to remove the alert. So these are the main use of alerts available in the Bootstrap. I hope you understand about the concept of Bootstrap alerts and its classes, and how to implement that Bootstrap alerts and how to remove it from the web page when developing an application or any kind of simple applications. So if you like this video, please press the like button, and don't forget to share if you feel helpful in watching this video, and if you feel understandable about the concepts. And if you have any clarification needed about this content, please comment it in the comment box. And have a nice day. Thank you.